A wandering thought. 3. The silent sermon of nature, limits, fragrances, and the canvas of the soul. The book lay open before me, but the pages of nature spoke louder than its printed leaves. The electric heater in the room could offer only artificial warmth, yet the sun's gentle touch drew my attention towards the Lord of nature, much like a disciple sits upright in the presence of his master. Presently, a neighbor arrived, offered his greetings, and departed. But after his departure, the stench returned. For a fleeting moment, it felt as though it had arrived with him. Then came a thought. A man can never truly perceive his own defects, his own stench, his own weaknesses. They only reach others. The air held a strange decay. Our home exists in a forest like setting flowers. Birds, cats, and creatures, all are its residents. Life forever sings a melody, and simultaneously, a lament. Seeking distraction, I reached out to pluck a fresh rose. The thorn pricked my hand, and it was as though the bush spoke. The answer to the touch of affection is not always tenderness. Sometimes protection manifests as severity. I paused, I pondered. Plants, too, are living things. They have their loves, their separations, their order. Modern research suggests that plants create music, like the beating of hearts, yet silent love, too, often says everything while remaining silent. Returning to my seat, I placed the rose in my warm shawl, hoping its fragrance would dispel the stench. But now, it seemed the flower was conversing, like an ancient sage. All things in the cosmos exist within a limit, a principle, a balance. Save for man, when man transgresses the bounds, the earth weeps, rivers recoil, winds blow in wrath, and the ground trembles, proclaiming, man has violated my principles. The fragrance of the rose had now transformed into a counsel. Remain in moderation, guard the trust of nature. Recognize the stench within yourself, of arrogance, greed, and prejudice. Otherwise, the equilibrium of nature is ruptured, and the consequences of action, Makafati Amal, awaken. I silently bowed my head. I placed the rose within the book, so that it might not allow any foulness to settle within or around me. Be it the stench of the air, the body, or the thought.
Khirul amura ostoha. The best of affairs is the middle way. Remains a principle both simple, captivating, and filled with wisdom. Hazrat Ali ibn Abi Talib advises, the best of people are those who remain steadfast upon moderation.
And Hazrat Salman Farsi R.A. states, moderation and persistent action. This is the true excellence, the philosophy of limits, where freedom meets restraint. The silent sermon of the rose and the profound reflection on the kitten's fate both point to a universal truth. Chaos ensues where the limit is transgressed. In the context of human behavior and spiritual life, limits, hadi, are not merely restrictions. They are the design specifications for a well-functioning soul and society. 1. The divine limit, the barrier against self-deification. The narrative highlights the ultimate breaking of the limit. When any man ceases to recognize his own humanity and seeks to usurp the divine, history raises a Moses against him. The limit of humility. This is the boundary between the creature and the Creator. To remain within this limit is to practice humility, argosy, and gratitude. Shikrig Zordi. Thanks. Authored by Mohammed Ibrahim Butt. An excerpt from the Diary 2025. We are eternal travelers. December 2025. Al Ain, UAE.